While the scanner is being used, dirt and dust accumulate on the interior of the scanner, which may prevent documents from being scanned properly or affect documents in scanned images. To avoid potential troubles from occurring, clean the scanner regularly. This video explains the procedures for cleaning scanners regularly, using the fi-8000 as an example, in the order starting with the exterior of the scanner, followed by the interior, and finally the imprinter. Prepare a clean cloth, cleaner F1, and some cotton swabs. Cleaning wipes can also be used instead of a cloth or cleaner F1. Now, let's clean the exterior of the scanner. Use a dry cloth to wipe the exterior of the scanner. If it is very dirty, use a cloth moistened with cleaner F1 to wipe. Next, let's clean the interior of the scanner. Turn off the scanner and unplug the power cable. Allow at least 15 minutes for the interior of the scanner to cool down. Open the ADF. Use a cloth moistened with cleaner F1 to clean the interior of the scanner. Clean the brake roller. Open the cover and remove the brake roller. Gently wipe off dirt and dust along the grooves of the roller surface. Install the brake roller. Close the cover. Clean the pick rollers. Gently wipe off dirt and dust along the grooves of the roller surface. Clean the feed rollers and eject rollers. The feed rollers and eject rollers in this location need to be rotated manually. Gently wipe off dirt and dust while rotating the rollers. Clean the ultrasonic sensors and the document sensors. Gently wipe dirt and dust off the surface of the sensors. Use a cotton swab if it is hard to reach or wipe off. Clean the glass as well. Wipe the glass carefully because vertical streaks may appear in an image if the glass surface is dirty or damaged. Clean the feed rollers and eject rollers in the other location. These feed rollers and eject rollers can be rotated by using the scanner after it is turned on. Close the ADF, plug in the power cable, and turn on the scanner. Select Cleaning, then Roller Wipe on the operator panel and open the ADF. Press the Scan Enter button to rotate the rollers. Be careful not to touch the rollers with your hands while they are rotating. Wipe any dirt or dust off the entire rollers. Close the ADF. If you need to clean the rollers only, you can clean them by scanning cleaning paper with the scanner. Select Cleaning and Cleaning Paper on the operator panel. Moisten cleaning paper with cleaner F1. and scan the cleaning paper with the scanner. We recommend using cleaning paper as an easy cleaning method. Use the operator panel or the software operation panel to reset the sheet counters. This completes the procedure for cleaning the interior of the scanner. From this step onwards, the procedure for cleaning the imprinter is explained. Clean the imprinter regularly to maintain quality prints and clean documents. Turn off the scanner. First, clean the print cartridge. Open the print cartridge cover. Raise the arms of the print cartridge holder. Remove the print cartridge. Gently wipe dirt off the nozzle plate by using a dry cloth. Next, clean the interior of the imprinter. Close the print cartridge cover and open the print section. Gently press a dry cloth against the surface of the base of the print cartridge holder and wipe off dirt. Clean the rubber rollers. Gently press a cloth moistened with cleaner F1 against them and wipe the entire rollers. Clean the plastic rollers in the same way. Close the print section. Open the print cartridge cover again. Attach the print cartridge. Bring down the arms of the print cartridge holder until it locks in place. Move the print cartridge holder to the print position. Close the print cartridge cover. This completes the procedure for cleaning the imprinter. Clean the scanner regularly so that you can use it in a comfortable manner.